Hello and welcome. Are you ready for a high-flying adventure into the incredible world of aviation? Because in this explainer, we are going to soar through the skies and explore all the different types of airplanes that connect our world, from the absolute giants that carry hundreds of people to the super specialized craft built for really unique missions.
I mean, just look at that. It's a sight we've all seen, but it never really loses its magic, does it? Seeing this massive metal machine just slice through the clouds, seemingly defying gravity, it's an amazing testament to what we can build.
So, before we get into all the different kinds, let's start with the absolute basics. What is an airplane? Well, this definition is key. It's a powered, fixed-wing aircraft, powered by the thrust from an engine, and fixed wings so that air flowing over them generates lift. It's this beautiful dance between pure physics and brilliant engineering.
Okay, building on that definition, we can really see the core principles that make flight possible in the first place. This really sums it up perfectly. On one side, you have the basic science, aerodynamic lift, that's the force pushing up against gravity. Then you've got this incredible diversity. No two airplane types are exactly the same, and that's because they're all built for a very specific job. And finally, it's just a reminder that every single plane you see up there started as an idea, a problem that needed solving. All right, let's get into the planes most of us are familiar with. You could call them the unsung heroes of aviation. These are the real workhorses that power our global economy and, connect us all. Just think about this for a second. It's a huge puzzle. We're talking about taking the population of a small village from one continent to another and doing it safely, comfortably, and pretty darn fast. I mean, how is that even possible? And here is the solution in all its glory. The modern passenger jet. It's truly an icon of our time. This is the machine that basically shrank the world and made international travel a reality for millions of people. The key to these things is their design. They are true global connectors, flying on really strict schedules. They're built to carry hundreds of people at a time. Just think of the legendary Boeing 747 or the massive double-decker Airbus A380. And all of this is possible because they are packed with incredibly advanced navigation and safety systems that guide them through the busiest skies on Earth. So, we've talked about moving people, but what about all our stuff? The packages we order online, the fresh food in our grocery stores, the electronics we use every single day. How does something made halfway across the world end up on your doorstep in just a day or two? Well, the answer is these giants of the sky. Cargo aircraft or freighters are the absolute backbone of global logistics. They might not be as glamorous as the passenger jets, but let's be real, our modern world of e-commerce and next-day delivery just wouldn't exist without them. So let's look at what makes them so special. First up, it is all about capacity. They have these huge bodies and reinforced floors to handle unbelievable amounts of weight. Second, loading. Many of them have these really cool nose or tail doors that swing wide open to basically swallow giant containers whole. And finally, logistics. These planes are the invisible arteries of global trade, and they're crucial for everything from manufacturing to delivering urgent humanitarian aid when every single second counts. Okay, let's shift gears now. We're moving away from the workhorses and into the world of aircraft built for more specialized, high-stakes missions. These planes are all about precision, speed, and strategic purpose. On one end of this specialized spectrum, you've got the world of private aviation. These jets are all about tailoring the travel experience to very specific needs, offering a level of convenience and efficiency that commercial flights just can't match. Their appeal really boils down to three big things. Efficiency is huge. You fly on your own schedule, directly where you want to go. The comfort and privacy, well, those are pretty obvious benefits, but here's a key advantage you might not think about. Access. These smaller jets can land at thousands of smaller airports, getting you way closer to your actual destination. And now, for a completely different kind of mission. We're moving from the world of business and luxury to the world of strategy and defense, where the stakes are about as high as they can possibly get. Military aircraft are just on another level when it comes to performance and technology. They do a huge range of jobs, everything from defending airspace and carrying out strategic ops to massive logistics, moving troops and gear. They conduct reconnaissance, gathering vital intelligence, and of course, they're built for combat, capable of supersonic speeds and maneuvers that push the absolute limits of physics. We're talking about technology that's often years, if not decades ahead of anything else in the sky. So where do we go from here? Let's take a look ahead, because aviation is always evolving. And believe me, what's on the horizon is really, really exciting.
We are right on the cusp of a whole new era. We're starting to see the development of electric aircraft, which promise much quieter, zero-emission travel. There's a serious push to bring back supersonic travel, which would dramatically cut down those long-haul flights. And of course, advanced drones are getting ready to revolutionize everything from package delivery to how we get around our cities. So this is the question we're left with. The next generation of flight isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a fundamental shift. As all these new technologies grow up, they're going to change not just how we travel, but how our cities are designed, how our economies work, and how we connect with each other. The sky, it turns out, is still full of possibilities. Thanks for watching.